The only thing is you need to have at least, what, 10 hits? Because it stops after 10. Yeah. So all you need to do is literally count up to 10. And then once you hit 10, you just throw it out. And if you have roulette and like buffs and debuffs, you can still do like a pretty good amount of damage. Pretty sure I got this one too. Yeah, it's completely doable. It's not something like outrageously like what you call it. It's not like anything like other like super bosses, which I want to say, even though that one super boss fight does have that one gimmick, which is, in my opinion, still kind of ass, but not completely like out of the question. I've seen worse super bosses in other games where you have to min-max and you have to do a specific build no matter like what, which is just obnoxiously like annoying. In those cases, you know.
Hang on tight.
No, I didn't watch it.
Here we go.
I feel like, well, I don't know how difficult it is to get the picto that we picked up for the free aim setup with Verso, but I don't think it's a stretch to say that that might end up being like the speedrun tech for this game, honestly. Because it's not that much setup, and at least to my idea, I think most of the pictos are along the way. They're not like on, well, they might be actually. They did go everywhere, but it's still very strong. Pretty sure this one's the one over here.